Ow! Welcome back to Plant-Based Bread, Karma Healing Nursery. Thank you, God. We have rain. Day two. Day two of the rainy season. Yeah, look at how happy the plants all are. We're gonna be so happy with this rain. Thank you, God. We love your work. We love your work. Yeah, oh my gosh, she's curled up inside. It's beautiful, eh? Well, we love you. If you like what we're doing, please subscribe to the channel. Sharing is caring, and we love comments. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you, I love you, I love you. Woo! A little more rain before we turn you out. Ciao!